Good morning and thank you for joining us for Monday's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about recent developments. Emily.
China is expected to keep benchmark lending rates steady for the fifth consecutive month in October, as policymakers remain cautious despite a recent flare-up in trade tensions between Beijing and Washington. Gold prices fell more than 2% on Friday after hitting a record high above $4,300 per ounce, pressured by a firmer dollar and US President Donald Trump's comment that a full-scale tariff on China would be unsustainable. Oil prices managed small gains on Friday, but were headed for a weekly loss of nearly 3% after the IEA forecast a growing glut, and US President Donald Trump and Russian President Vladimir Putin agreed to meet again to discuss Ukraine.
The dollar-yen pair edged higher in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. Crude oil prices saw moderate gains in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal.
Investors should take note of the economic calendar over the next few days, as it brings forth a variety of high-impact and medium-importance events. These data releases may cause significant market shifts, impacting trading strategies and investor sentiment. Understanding these updates helps frame the broader market context. Reacting appropriately to economic shifts can be the difference between seizing opportunity and facing challenges.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Monday's financial review. And on behalf of us all here, we wish you a productive trading day. And be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.